Minigwa, Bella. Bella! Where's my cat? So, yan. It's my dog. Ciao, dog. Libero Piuco pa. You know where I cleaning last night? Yesterday. I cleaning this in my garden. Do you know how much? Wow, too much garbage. Garbage mean the grande grass. So this is I cleaning. I tell you what I cleaned yesterday. Yeah. And this is my dog house. Also, I cleaning my dog house. You see, guys? This is my dog house. So dirty. Beautiful weather today anyway. And this is Olive. Olive. My cat. he like joke with this, guys. That's my cat always like to playing my cat. He like here. Oy, mamma mia, tanto ano, Bella. Dove sei? Bella, dove vai andare? Huy. Juro, may mini qua. Where are you? Where's my cat? Where's my cat? You see, like playing this, like play this. Anki, my dog, like playing. My cute dog. My cute Bella. Mini kwa Piuco. Ay, bakit kwa to your hair outside. Dali. Mini kwa for now. Epoy ay abrit to po. Come on, dentro. Okay, bravo. Hospita kwa for now, okay? Epoy ay open to do po. Babini. Aray. Diyan ka lang, ha? I did not close you, okay? For now, I close my dog because we go out. Aspetta, okay? Brava, my dog, eh? Wait, ha? On every mountain, on every... Do you know, guys, too much lumaki here. Belay! Aswita pure pa. Aswita Piuco. Bella! My cat inside. How you come inside here? Mini kwa, Bella. Bella scared. You cannot come outside. Come here. Bella. Come on, mini kwa. Jubi Bella ko? Jubi bye? Bella. I love my cat because so very, very, very sweet. Come on. Come on. Who is here? Ciao, amore. Ciao. Ciao, bellissima. Bellissima means beautiful in the world. Beautiful in the world. Mini kwa? Puri now. Pero don't come outside because we go away, Bye-bye! Pyuko! Sad. My dog sad when we are live.
Oh, porca miseria.
Fizzi pa.
C'era Gaetano che dice che c'aveva il torcicollo. Voleva portare, che c'hai tu,
Polo.
la crema, l'olio da passare per il torcicollo.
Perché?